My name is Faith Akirele. So I joined the academy October last year, and it's been nothing short of amazing. It's been really good. I think one thing that I really benefited from the academy was the connection with people, meeting people in property. I started my essays, and now I have so many essays, and I've been selling deals as well. So that's something that's been really amazing, and I would really recommend joining the academy as soon as you can. Yeah. No, I would just say like little knowledge on essays, but I didn't know how to go about it. But when I joined the academy, I had 100% knowledge, and yeah. So from essays, I say like per unit, minimum of 1K. On a good month, 1.5, 2,000. It depends on. And then for essay, for we sell about 2 or 1 deals in a month. So that's about 6K or 3K in a month. Yeah. So it depends on the number of. Of course, because before I joined the academy, I didn't have any knowledge. I didn't have much knowledge. So obviously, when I joined the academy, I was able to meet people, get many knowledge. The inner circles, people in Manchester, because I'm based in Manchester. So I met a lot of people as well, and it's been amazing. Yeah. I think I see it as an opportunity. At first, I was kind of nervous paying such amount, but to be honest, do I have any regret? No, I don't. So I think being mentored by Samuel has been a good thing. I've learned a lot. I've been inspired by his journey. It's something I admire, and I also hope to be there at some time one day. Yeah. Pressured to an extent because I'm also always surprised as well, like how fast people sell deals, how fast people are into property, and I learn a lot as well, and something has been really amazing. Yeah, definitely join. I mean, we all want financial freedom, right? So you can start your property journey, join the academy. I would definitely recommend.